So I'm going to give you a quick update of what's going on. I'm currently in the hotel. I ended up bringing my laptop back because I just found out that they don't pay you until after they find a trainer for you. So in order to make enough money that I can still eat, I had to bring my laptop with me to make sure that I could still have an income. Now, they are paying you for lunch and dinner, but they're not giving you any breakfast. So as far as breakfast is concerned, I have to pay for that myself. It used to be that the hotel would give you a free breakfast, but the hotel they used to put their employees or potential employees in, that hotel was demolished earlier. That was I think it was a Days Inn hotel in Easton, Pennsylvania. Yeah, that one was demolished to make way for an aquarium of all things. Like, why? Why would you take a functioning building and then replace it with something that's not really that functional, but I guess would work well with recreation? But yeah. They give you gift cards for food for lunch and dinner, but it's only good for Subway, which is okay because, you know, Subway is a healthier choice than other restaurants, but eating Subway for lunch and dinner might get old pretty fast. I'm not sure. I guess I can get used to it. I mean, it's free food, and you gotta do what you gotta do to survive. So anyway, I got a few more videos that I'm working on so that I can continue to have enough money to afford breakfast, you know. So yeah, here's some footage I got of the 12th and Voltee Street Railroad crossing today. I only got 2 trains though because there weren't that many trains today, but either way, here it is. opened his driver's side window. She didn't open her driver's side window either, which is weird because one of the things that school buses are supposed to do when stopping at railroad crossings is opening their driver's side window. It makes it easier for them to listen for trains on their left side. They're also supposed to open the door. And I'm surprised that they got away with that because they were really strict on me with that when they were training me. And that was actually the same company that trained me to drive a school bus. So yeah, I'm surprised they were able to get away with that.